Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to create this purpley metallic look for you using the new Morphe by Jaclyn Hill palette. It's one of the Vault palettes and this one is Bling Boss. I just want to do like kind of purpley-ish pink look. So if you guys want to see how to create it, keep on watching. We're going to start by priming our eyelids with Morphe's translucent eyelid primer. As always, I'm just going to blend it in with the Beauty Blender. And I'm just going to set my eyelid using a translucent powder, and I'm going to use MAC's Patrick's powder. I'm going to apply this with this Beau Belle E1 brush. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using one of Morphe by Jaclyn Hill's Vault palettes, and this one is Bling Boss. I'm going to start by warming up my crease with Hush Hush. I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush for that. We're going to bring this up almost all the way up to the brow bone, but not. You can kind of make it swing out as well because I want it to have a bit of like a curve in it. Make sure to take a clean blending brush and get rid of any lines that you might have created. Oh, and this clean fluffy brush that I'm using is the Morphe S12. I know that I say this in every video, but it's really important to do this if you want to have a really good gradient. So next I'm going to deepen up my crease a little bit more using Sparks. And I'm going to use this Makeup Forever 218 blending brush. Then you can kind of concentrate it right in the outer V and blend upward. And blend it right into Hush Hush. And you can take your Hush Hush brush and just blend those two together. And of course, if you see this lightness start to disappear, just use that clean brush again and clean up any shadow that might have gone up too far or out too far. So next I'm going to cut my crease, but I'm only going to cut half of it with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Beige. And I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 flat concealer brush for that. So I'm just going to draw a line. So with my finger, I'm going to go in to Glitz and Glam and pack that on my lid. And I'm going to use that same flat concealer brush just to get the edges. I'm also going to go in on the last half of my eyelid with Pizzazz. I'm going to also put that on with my finger and just kind of blend that in. Get some Glitz and Glam too, just so you can blend these two together well. Then I'm going to go in with Mystic and deepen up the outer V. I'm going to be using this Morphe S20 pencil brush. Make sure to keep alternating your brushes again, just so everything blends well. So I'm just gonna brush off that pencil brush, and I'm just gonna go in with sparks under my lash line and just brush it in. As you guys know, I don't like too much eyeshadow under my eye, so I'm not gonna put a lot. And I'm just gonna go in with that clean blending brush and take a little bit of Hush Hush and just blend out that sparks. Trying not to look like I have a bruised eye up in here. I'm just gonna use that brush that I used to set my eyelid with the translucent powder and just kind of clean up any eyeshadow that might have gone way too far. Then I'm gonna take some Glitz and Glam and go in with my pinky and just put a bit of that in my inner corner. So now we're gonna do some eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using Morphe's Jet Eyeliner. And I'm just gonna take this on this little craft store brush. I got it from Michael's. So just any little tiny brush. They're cheap and they work pretty well, so. And I'm gonna start on the inner corner and do a really thin line. I just like to press right against the lash line to get a really good thin line. And then as it gets halfway, you're gonna make it a little bit thicker. To get this point well, you really want to make sure that your brush has a point on it. I'm just going to get a little bit of the inner corner here. Next, I'm going to go in with the lashes, and I'm going to be using Morphe's Flirt Alert. I'm just going to go over that band really quickly with some eyeliner just to get rid of any glue. So next we're going to do mascara, and I'm going to use Mally Beauty's Smokey Mama Mascara. I'm just going to go really lightly. And make sure to get the bottom lashes too. So next, I'm just going to warm up my face using Morphe's Brontour in Frenemy on this rose gold brush, also by Morphe. I'm just going to warm up my nose. So next for blush, I'm going to be going into Morphe's 8C Cool Pro palette, and I'm going to be using Queen. I really like to have like nice colorful cheeks because it makes me feel like I'm alive. I don't know how else to explain it. And next, my favorite part, we're gonna go in and do our highlight, and I'm gonna be using, this is an all Morphe tutorial right now. I'm gonna be using Morphe's 8H Hi-Fi Highlight and Contour Palette. And I'm gonna be using Venus. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. I just use my finger so that there aren't any harsh edges. It really blends it out, and then I go over this one more time to just add an extra pop. We're gonna use this on our nose as well. Down the bridge. And Cupid's bow. I'm also going to use this color for under my brow bone, and I'm going to be going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush. So now for lips, I'm going to go in and line my lips with Soar by MAC. And I'm going to fill that in with Frankie Rose Cosmetics Hipster. I always make sure to have a little bit of lip balm on first. It honestly helps my lips stay on longer. Just a little bit. I'm just going to fill your entire lip in. I'm going to fill it in with this lipstick. And the very last thing we're going to do is set our face, and I'm going to be using NYX's Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And this is our final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Please leave comments or any requests or suggestions you have for me down below. And hopefully I see you guys in my next video.